Okay, happy Sunday. This is the first of two parts of a tool haul and a workshop tour tidy. Today, Rickled Imp Olympia, and this is a number 1 RDNO, registered number 689821. It's hard to find out stuff about this, but that is a Parkinson handy vise. Handy because it's small. Here's an earlier Parkinson's handy, because these ones come with a sticker sometimes here that says handy, and that's red and gold writing. This earlier one, I've got a handy across here, actually sticking out of the vise when it was cast. So that says handy model number, and this is a G one. And as you can see, they're very similar size. Shape's changed at the top of the jaw a bit there. That one looks older than that, but that's the oldest one. I'll take that away. So this is my. I've been out on a bargain drive today. So this is an Irwin. You can just see there, Irwin record. It's a 3-tonner, and it's got a swivel. So we've got the handy, the Irwin Olympia. I won these. This was 26 quid. That's about what, $35. That was 13, so that's about $17. And that was a tenner, so it's about $13. This, I see this laying there. The bloke had so much old stuff. I see this laying there, and I said, how much? And he said a tenner. I reckoned him for a tenner. It needs a new bar, because back with the old threaded rod. That's stuck solid, so I've actually got something to try on that in a minute. So it's that. So that was 60 quid for those 4 vices. 60 quid, amazing. Then let me move them 4 vices out of the way. Oh shit, run out of space. This I see was on the way back from where I picked it up. I think these were $4.99, right? $4.99. So I got for $4.99. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17 pairs of pliers. That's a Wilkinson. Clean them up, they're so easy. Ooh, nice handles. I love getting bulk pliers. That's got a name on it. Good idea. Believe it or not, it's a famous name and I can't read it. Where's my King Glasses now? I do believe this says, I can't even see glasses, it says Herma. No, it says foreign. Foreign, lovely, look at that lovely colour on those. Oh, I wonder what colour that was. That's like a aquamarine. I ain't got nothing close to that apart from maybe a nice copper. That's nice. Right, these also Wilkinsons. Brilliant. I love the little delicate ones. Oh, nice big pair there. How big are they? They're can't focus in me like that. They're 7-inch. Name on them? No name. Nissan. Someone will want them on eBay. Japanese wire cutters. Well, I'm always open to try new wire cutters. Wire strippers, sorry. Could possibly be a name on them. Not sure. No name on them. Oh, nice big pair here. Nothing on them. Span. Never heard of Span. Dial Ballet. Oh, another nice big pair. Handles. Yeah, a bit of them one. That also got a name. Can't read it. Full of dirt. Come back to that, eh? Very possibly Eclipse. Very possibly. It is. They're Eclipse. No, these ones are Diamond. Hey, I like the old Diamond brand. Diamond brand. I'll clean them up. They fly away on eBay. We've done them once. Yeah. Right. Now, these. What did I get first? I bid on the Vises. Vises? Vice? Is it plural, like sheep? Sheep? Vice? Vices? Vise? But who knows? Anyway. Someone should tell me that, if it's plural or not. So these were all round the corner to my other collection. Now this is, I'll tip this back and you can see it. This is a Sealy, right? 8-inch grinder. I suppose for the Americans, a Sealy is kind of on par with Craftsman. So it's not a little one. It's 3/4 of a horsepower. Can't see nothing there. I've got to hold it down this one. Jesus! Right, that makes the earth move, I can tell you. That's a bit better than the things I'm currently using. And the house with the pliers, I got this, which is a valve compressor. I think this was £2, so everyone's a winner again. £2, eh? Clean that up, that'll look nice on the wall. It kind of goes in the clamp section. It don't, and it does go in the clamp section. I need one. I ain't got one. That's why I need one. I ain't gonna use it. Just ain't got one. Right. That's nice. So manufacturing date. Glasses back on. Man had 3 of these. 9814. So it ain't 6 years old. It's a bit older than that, isn't it? So I reckon this is oh dear, that is 20 years old. Anyway, did I say how much it was? £25. Whew, you pay. I pay £9, I think, for a 6-inch wheel. Well, this has got a brand new wheel on it. This has probably never been used, or used, you know, very, very, very lightly. Anyway, so it's an 8-inch wheel. That should help fly through things. And that's about it for today. Did anything come through the post? Oh yeah, the post today. Right, so the post today was... I watched Ben's video the other day. I see what a fantastic result he had on his handles, on his scrapers. And I've got some handles to do. So I've gone out and bought the same. I've bought some True Oil. Going to be trying that at some point very soon. Right, I'm just going to move over. I'm just going to squirt this stuff on this Vise and video. So yeah, as you can see, this one, this is a... Phew. It's got the little something missing there. With record imps, you want the oval shape on here. You obviously want it to say record imp. You want this piece here that retains the drive screw. and under here is a patent number. You really want that on there if you want a good collectible one. Right, this will, oh it did, it will, but it's getting stuck because of that there. So I'll take it back where it was. I'll take it over to the other Vise. Right, we'll put that in there. Even that's sticking. Right, now, so I had a subscriber. So this stuff is called mannol, and it is number 9932. It's rust dissolver. This turned up yesterday, and I filled this up with rust dissolver. This rust dissolver. It was a rusty spanner, and I videoed it. So we'll see later on what that does. So squirt that in there. Don't expect much, because it can't run sideways, can it? But this one can run downhill, so that's going all down the threads now. And I'm going to do a Scoutcraft. You just want to work this backwards and forwards. Backwards and forwards. Now I know what would happen when that rust normally hits there. That's going to get a bit in there out. We'll see, because I've got 2 or 3 other things up there I can try. I don't doubt I'll get this open. Just how easy. And we'll see if that runs down. My dinner shortly, so we'll leave that over dinner. And we'll see what happens. This is the piece I was talking about. Should be on there. That's just someone bolted it with something rubbish. That piece should have this here. So we're back to that nice Sealy grinder. The reason it's got a wobble is it's got 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one is missing. So obviously for something, you've got 2 options. You can take the feet off, put it straight on the bench, but to take the feet off, and then I'd have to get a big piece of rubber that's bigger than this, and then screw through it so that the rubber took the vibration away. Probably do it with carpet as well. But what I'm going to try first is I'm just going to always have a go at replacing what's there. If it ain't replaceable, you can modify it, can't you? Modifying it in this case would be remove all the feet and put a bit of carpet underneath. Right, so it's got a little, oh for fuck's sake, about 10 from there is, oh, out there, look at that. I'm going to use my bottle cap. It's a 10 by 4. Push that through there, make a hole. Right. Right, and now go and find a 10 by 4 screw. I'm going to put a washer in this one. That's it, lovely. Right, it's just how much does that compress to those little buggers? Still, it's got to be better than it was. Nothing there, was there? Right. This is the dirty area. There's the polishing wheel, the grinder, belt sander, the vise. I mean, look at all that rubbish. Projects that I think I'll do them this afternoon, then don't get done. Projects that I think I'll get round to that this week. I'll get round to that very shortly. They just don't get done. More projects. Right, I need a project area, don't I? So I've waffled on a bit. I'm going to end this part here because it's a bit long now. Go make yourself a coffee because I'm going to upload the second part so you can watch it straight away. Okay, click the box up there for the second part where we find out if the mannol worked on the record imp thread and how the new grinder fits the clean dirty area.